Hey, what's up? Welcome to NAM Design. In today's video, I will showcase 7 amazing Figma plugins that I personally use for my projects, and you might want to add them to your workflow. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Responsify. This plugin allows you to test your designs on various device sizes, helping you determine which devices are compatible with your design. Simply select your design and choose the devices you want to test it on. I will demonstrate it on an iPhone. As shown here, this design can accommodate several devices, such as iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone SE, and more. It's incredibly helpful. Number 2. Beautiful shadows. This plugin enables you to create beautiful shadows by simply dragging a light source that casts shadows on selected elements. For example, if you want to add shadows to a set of cards, just click on the frame and then open the plugin. From there, you can adjust the light source until you find a shadow that you like. Once you're satisfied with your choice, just click Apply. It's that simple. Number 3. Colors. When it comes to creating a color palette for my designs, I always use this plugin, because this plugin can generate a harmonious color scheme in just seconds. You simply run the plugin, and from there, you can create a random color scheme as you like. You also have the option to go back to a previous scheme or explore different sections where you can sort palettes by trending styles or specific colors. Once you find a palette you like, you can easily add the colors to your document. It's incredibly helpful. Number 4. Morph. This plugin allows you to create various effects such as skeuomorphism, neon, glitch, reflection, glass, and gradient. To use the plugin, simply open it and select any shapes or vectors you want to change. Let's try creating a glassy background for an icon. First, select the shapes and run the plugin. Then choose the glassy effect. You can then adjust the blur, opacity, and surface settings until you are satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with the adjustments, hit Apply. It's really helpful, right? Number 5. Unsplash. Unsplash is a free stock photo and video sharing community that features millions of high-quality photos and videos. With this plugin, you can easily add high-quality images to your design. Simply click on your shapes, and you can search for or choose the images you want to add. This plugin is free for both personal and commercial use. Number 6. Remove background. This plugin enables you to automatically remove the background from images with just a single click. To use it, simply click on the image from which you want to remove the background, then run the plugin. It will work like magic, leaving the image transparent and allowing you to place it into your project with any background you desire. Please note that in order to run this plugin, you need to have a Remove Background account and set up your API keys first. Number 7. Mesh Gradient. The Mesh Gradient plugin allows you to create a gradient image using a 2D mesh, enabling you to edit the vertices and edges to achieve the perfect gradient look. I personally use this plugin to design backgrounds for product presentations. Using the plugin is simple. Just open the plugin, and after that, adjust the number of mesh points, choose your colors, and control the visibility until you are satisfied with the gradient. Once you're happy with the result, just hit the Generate button. It's that easy. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. Make sure to stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye!